Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Bosch dishwasher red light blinking. A flashing red light on your Bosch dishwasher typically indicate an issue that need attention. For that, you will need to follow some steps. First, check the door. Ensure it is closed securely. Sometimes a slight misalignment can prevent the latch from engaging. Reset the door latch. If the door is securely closed and the red still flashes, try resetting the latch. Consult your user manual for specific instructions, but generally you can hold down the start button for a few seconds. Second, child lock activation. Check the child lock. If the child lock is accidentally activated, the dishwasher won't start. Refer to your manual to find the specific combination of buttons to deactivate it. Third, check water supply. Ensure the water supply valve is fully open and there is a sufficient water pressure. And inspect the drain hose. Make sure the drain hose is not kink or blocked. Clear any obstructions and ensure proper drainage. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.